Hi, it's Isabel at Lloyd South Lakes BMW, and here we have a 118i M Sport finished in Alpine White. The front headlights and fog lights are LED, giving you more visibility and making you more visible to other traffic when visibility may be low. It has 18-inch M double spoke alloy wheels, and the wing mirrors can be electrically folded in when locking the car to protect them from passing traffic or pedestrians, and they'll fold back out when unlocking the car. In the rear windows, it has sun protection glass, protecting backseat passengers from high UV rays, while also adding an element of privacy. Moving on to the interior, it has the Black Trigon Sensatec upholstery and front heated sports seats, essential for driving in the winter as they're quick heating. If you're interested in learning more about this 118i M Sport, please get in touch via the details provided, or come and visit us at Lloyd South Lakes BMW.